Hello everybody! So after having configured my new build agent, now I also need to set up SonarQube client settings. This is Stef from Samayas and welcome to my channel. So I was cleaning up some of my infrastructure and I decided to reinstall my build machine to a more recent OS. I've installed Windows Server 2025 for that. In my previous video I tackled the Azure DevOps build agent and now I'm taking care of the configuration needed for SonarQube to function when connecting to a SonarQube server which is configured locally. So when I have a look at this pipeline, I already have my prepare analysis for SonarQube server, I have my run SonarQube analysis, and I have my publish quality gate for result. If I look at my agent, the first requirement which I have for it even to run is Java. So my current SonarQube version is 25.7 and for that it's recommended to install Java version 21. So let's have a run at that. And so now when serving to the Java website, I go to open JDK 21 and I'm going to download the latest 21.0.9, and since I'm running Windows in x64, I'm going to download the x64 MSI. Very simple. And once that's downloaded, I'll just install it, and I'll install it for all users. And it's done. And now, out of the box, just by installing Java is not enough. I need to restart each of my Azure pipeline agents so that it detects that Java is installed. Having a quick look at one of my agents, we don't see any Java here. Now, in order to change that, we just need to restart the service. So let's restart the service, and that by itself should be sufficient. So unfortunately, after a couple of restarts and even a reboot of the server, the variables don't show up. So let's go to plan B. A simple run of java-version does show that I do have version Java 21.0. The next step is to open up my environment variables and to manually add some variables first to my system. A quick look at my path variables shows me that Java is located under the C program files, Microsoft JDK-21.0.9.10-hotspot-bin. And so I'm going to add a variable Java with that path located. And so now I'm going to restart the computer again so that the variable is available system-wide. And so now, after a complete reboot, I finally have the Java variable. And so now again, I can run my pipeline. That's step 1. Now, the next step in my setup, I'm running a local SonarQube Community Edition. And for Java to be able to connect to my local SonarQube, which is behind an SSL certificate, which I've submitted, I need to register my root certificate and my SonarQube certificate to the Java store. And so the first step in this process is to add my root certificate to the CA store. And for that, I need to call the key tools located in the bin directory with parameters import cert. I specify an alias, which I call Samayas root. I specify the file where my root certificate is located. I specify the key store, which is located under lib security CA certs. And I specify the store password, which is change it. And then I'll have a run. It asks me to import. I say I trust it. And that certificate is added to the key store. Now, SonarQube client is based on Node.js, and there's one more modification which I need to do. And for that, I have a second root certificate, which I saved as base64, and I need to assign a new system variable called node_extra_ca_certs, and that is used as an override for Node.js. And so once that variable is available, Node.js will use that certificate to be trusted. So I just click OK, I confirm, and I just need to reboot my server for it to apply. And finally, after reboot, we can see that the prepare analysis for SonarQube server is working perfectly fine. It's taking the latest version 7.4.2. It's connecting to my internal SonarQube, which is on 25.7.0, and it's using Java without a problem. So now I have a working SonarQube environment on my build server. Well, when hosting SonarQube locally, there's a little bit of more configuration needed, but it's still quite manageable. If you guys enjoy this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.